All right, what's up, everybody? Today was Friday, March the 7th, 2025. I'm going to go over my trades today, or rather, my errors today. I made several errors that cost me about a difference of $700 in my one account today. So here, let's go over it. So we came in a sell for the open. Here's the open candle. Come up, engulf back down, but wick back up again. Have a strong close above the 21 here. This could have been one of those neutral close above the 21 entries. It would have worked out, but I've not been taking that because the win percentage just doesn't line up all that well. So run up, up, up. We get near the high of this news candle, and this candle shoots back down almost 100 points in one candle here, one forming a candle. Then we're plunging down some more and strongly wick back up above the 21. So we've stayed above the 21 even with this huge down candle. So next candle is our buy signal. So I take it, and then sure enough, this very next candle, the entry candle, is more than 30 points down. So I've taken a loss, and you can see there's two entry points here. That's because when this one started wicking back up, I entered it again right here, thinking that it was going to keep going. Like wick here, higher wick here. I'm thinking we're going to keep going. I'm just trying to match this previous high. Well, that one also shoots down and stops me out. So I just took two losses right here. So I'm now down $360 with two losses at my standard size. So the rally was killed right here with this candle. Shoots down way below the 21 now. So now we're looking for a sell. I think this candle actually started to print a sell, but then you think if we get a sell right here, we were supported right there. So that might not have been a good entry. Thankfully, we come up a little bit, and then this doji candle is our sell. So I entered here, and first candle, boom, we hit the target. And this is one that, right around here is the 20,000 level. I wanted to extend my target to about 20,000 or maybe even more, but it shot so quickly to the target and took me out. So I just took the win there. So now I'm break even on the day. Then we start getting into messiness right here between 10:30 and 11:30. We're coming down. Now we've got a hammer up. We come way up to the top of the entry candle pretty much, and then wick back down. So this looks like a hold of the 21, but this wick is so huge, there's no way it's not going to go 30 points back up, which it did from 992 to 2060 basically. So that was 68 points just in this candle coming back up. So I'm being really cautious right here. I'm trying not to take any more dumb trades. So we just keep selling off. Right here, I think Powell started speaking at 12:15 or 12:30, so somewhere right in here. And that's when we had a flip. And now we're going bullish again. Like, okay, now I'm waiting for the bullish signal. So we're coming up and up and up. I'm thinking, all right, above VWAP. And I'm like, we're kind of getting overextended for a long. I don't really want a long here. Then we have another huge candle down from the top of the wick, 74 to 920. So this was 150 points in this one candle. Like this is insane movements. Like a 30-point stop is really not safe in this market. So with that in mind, we come back up, and then with these two candles, we've erased this 150-point candle. And right up here, you see I've got an entry. This is where the 3-minute signaled along. So what my thought process was is I entered with 1 micro, gave a 90-point stop for the equal $180 loss. I thought maybe we'll hold 90 points. Maybe this one won't come down 90 points. Sure enough, it came down 90 points. So I got another stop out here. Now I'm in the hole 180. So we're down, and we're back up, and now here's the 4-minute signal. It's actually a little bit lower than this one was. I expected the 4-minute signal to be somewhere way up here, but it was actually right here. And you see this entry, so I did enter this one. I did not click buy right as it hit 0 on the timer. I, for some reason, waited a second, and when I clicked, my entry was all the way down here. So, like, at the start of this candle, it shot down, and I got filled about 17 points better than Bag did. So I'm feeling good. I'm like, okay, this is going to be a great trade. I got in like 17 points better. There's no way we're going to get stopped out. So we'd come up, and we got, from this entry, we got like 46, right at 46 points up. So looking back, that should have been my exit. I should have taken this win, and then I would have had a green day. But when I entered, my target was still at 60 points. And when I hit the 30 points to try and go break even, I did not do it in time because it literally hit the 30, then topped out up here at about 46, and then shot all the way back down. So before I can even go to put it break even, we're back in drawdown. And closed in drawdown, then this candle starts going down. And I wish I had me recorded when this happened, because I'm like, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it to me. Don't stop me out now after being up that high. Don't stop me out. I wasn't listening because it did anyway. So now I've got, from break even, I've got now these 2 losses. So being this close to 2 o'clock and already having this signal, I did not try another entry. There was no point. I locked my account, being down with 2 losses. So looking back, what should have happened? This should have been 1 loss, not 2. This should have been a full win, and this should have been a 1.5 win. So this should be plus 180, plus 270. I should have had $450. Instead, I closed minus about 330. So from minus 330 to plus 450, like over $700 difference, just with these 2 bad entries and then a mismanaged trade here. So I know what I need to do. I need to follow rules. I'm thinking about making a video on my rules that I've got now. I've got solid rules. I need to follow them. If I follow them, I'll not have any more days like this. So it's the weekend. I'm going to enjoy the weekend. My Blue Devils are playing the Tar Heels tomorrow. It's going to be a blowout. I can't wait to beat them again. So I'm looking forward to that. And then come Monday, I'm looking at it as a fresh slate. I've still got, since I took my payout, I've still got about $1,500 of drawdown on this account. So plenty of wiggle room. Just need to make the entries like I'm supposed to, not try to do what I think is going to happen. So everyone enjoy the weekend. I'll catch you Monday. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.